Welcome to Cruise Command. Cruise Command is the 2023 reboot of a cruise channel I started back in 2010. You will see an assortment of archived cruise videos here that I have recorded over the years. Going forward, there will be fresh new content that will cover cruising in recent times. I will answer many questions that you as a cruiser may have. Over the last 30 years, I have cruised solo as a single person, but also cruised as a couple. I have cruised on Carnival, Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, and MSC cruises. I hope to expand that list in the future. I have also attended and hosted business cruises. More recently, I have become a cruise vlogger and cruise commentator. The type of cruise that I focus on is value cruising. Let's face it, as much as we might want the more expensive luxury cruise lines, most of us are mere mortals. We have limited discretionary funds to put into cruising. Personally, I would love to live on a cruise ship part-time, but for now, that is only a long-term goal. I believe in cruising with a budget in mind. Most of us cannot go on a cruise for more than once or twice a year. Of course, most of us would like to change that in the future, but I want to keep this cruise channel grounded to the sensibilities of mere mortals like you and me. As consumers, I believe we should maximize the value of every cruise. And part of that is knowing how and what you should spend on a cruise. If my philosophy sounds agreeable to you, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my upcoming videos.